My name is Hope Eggett. I'm the museum administrator here at the museums at Union Station. I have loved taking care of this museum and making this museum a place that people want to be. We had our centennial exhibit this year, and after a lot of debate about what that title of the exhibit was going to be, we settled on the heart of Ogden because Union Station was serving as the circulatory center for getting people to come into our city, to go up 25th Street into our downtown area, and to keep the city alive with the amount of traffic coming through these walls. You know, the same thing that happens between 1924 and 2024 today is that when people think about Ogden, they think about Union Station. We're on pretty much all the marketing material of the city. People always bring their family that's visiting them to Union Station today. And I think that was even more true back in the 1920s. During World War II, we were such a hub for soldiers moving through this space. We know we had 1.6 million soldiers move through our building on their way around the country and heading off to fight in World War II. I know back in 1924, the Chamber of Commerce was marketing Ogden as you can't go anywhere without going to Ogden. And that was very literally true. If you wanted to get around the country on trains or on railroad, you had to come through Ogden if you were going anywhere east or west. Ogden was consistently described as the most cosmopolitan city in the state. We've always been on the cutting edge of new ideas, new politics, new ways of being creative. And I think that has to do with so much about the energy that was coming from Union Station. People have been asking why a celebration. Everybody in our city loves Union Station so much. It's the first building they think of when they're thinking about Ogden. It's almost the mission statement of our city is encapsulated by this building's history. 100 years has passed since this building was built. Over 150 years have passed since trains first came to Ogden, Utah. I think the most important thing that people can do to preserve our Union Station's history and legacy is just come here and have a great time, honestly. Union Station is one of those places people walk in our front door, they visit the grand lobby, they take a breath about how beautiful the architecture is. This building has so much energy surrounding it. It's been a place that people want to be. And I want people to continue to come here, to continue to have a good time, and to make the memories here. I hope that in the present, in 2024, and in the future, Union Station can continue to be the center of Ogden.